Right, so I'm going to show you how to set a video wallpaper on the cover screen of your Galaxy Z Flip 8. So make sure you have a video saved on your phone. I'm going to pick one of my videos. I'm going to use this one because it's a short video and that's what I want to use on my cover screen. So go to settings. Under settings, go to cover screen, and then you can see your wallpapers here. This is one photo wallpaper I had made. Let's tap on add new so that we can create a whole new wallpaper. Now you have the option to go to gallery, tap on that little arrow, and now you can go into your gallery, pick a photo from your gallery, one you've taken or one that's in the correct format, and it's going to get added there. Now it says the video resolution is too high. Edit the video to reduce the resolution. So I'm going to tap on the trim option, because if you want to also, you can trim the video so that it only shows the part of the video that you want. And then now you can tap on done. And as you can see, we have that little video clip of the sunset in my hometown, and I can tap on done and it's going to get applied to the cover screen. So now every time you look at the cover screen, you're going to see that video as your wallpaper. Thanks for watching and good luck.